All right, 2002 Honda CRV. All right, so today's job, we will be replacing the front shocks and struts on this vehicle. All right, so we got our jack and a jack stand right there. Now we are ready to remove the tire. All right, guys, so we're gonna have to remove these two nuts and bolts right here. Okay, two nuts and bolts, and then remove that nuts right there, and then those three nuts right here on the top. Alrighty. All right, so we're using 22 sockets. Okay. All right, him off. We'll go ahead and also take this nut off right here. Okay. All right. This is a size 17 socket. There you go. All right, so we're gonna give a few whack over here. Okay, let's see if we can get him to pop out. There you go. Okay, we're using a size 14 socket. Alright, get them off. Now we're ready to pull the shocks out. One up. Alright, there you go. You just need to remove the other nut that was on the top there. And then we'll pull the shocks out, okay? Alright, there you go. Get the shocks out. Alright. Now we're going to remove the spring already and reuse the coil on this shocks. off. There you go. We're ready to remove the spring, the coil, just like that. Okay. Alright, so you can see this one is dead right there. Already? That's why we're replacing the shocks. Alright, now we need to put this one in. Okay. But we're gonna have to clean this one and put grease in it. Right, and I'm going to go ahead and remove it and install it. And this one works great. That's effortless, that's for sure. There you go. We're ready to install it. Alright, we just need to tighten this up and that. Then put the bolt for this one. Then that should be it. Alrighty. And thank you for watching my video.